Y'all can see I got on a scarf, child. I got to do my hair. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glinda and I talk about hair, beauty, makeup, lifestyle, fashion. And on today's video, y'all can see I got on a scarf, child. I got to do my hair. So, I did do a quick little makeup tutorial and that is on my shorts, so you guys can see that. So I had to record another video and I had to put on a scarf before I did this, so I don't have that much time to do my hair. So I'm going to show you guys a quick hairstyle that I do to have a hairstyle, like when my hair is relaxed but I don't want to wear it down. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to brush my hair out. I did my hair like this yesterday, but I was thinking maybe the girls, you know, want to see how I do this cute little hairstyle. Now you can do like where you leave some out, but I ain't got time for that, y'all. I'm just gonna put my hair in a cute little ponytail. So I start off at the back, right by my ear, and I'm just gonna make a part. Not too low, I'm going low, because my hair needs to cover the tracks. And it's a few different ways you can do this. I just do it this way or something. Where is my clip? And I keep all of my clip-ins lined up. I do make my clip-ins, y'all, so y'all can make yours too. So this is just a 3-1. They got a little wave in it. I'm about to start work and I needed to record today, so I was like, I'll just keep my hair like this. And I'm clipping these upside down because they're going in a ponytail. So yeah. So then, as I go up, I kind of curve around my hairline so the ends right here won't be out. So I gotta make sure none of that is out. Okay. And I try to put all these, but yesterday I was moving so fast I couldn't even put them on. So then from here I'm going to continue to part, but I'm going to start to curve it a little bit. Sorry y'all can't see, but you guys can kind of see this part here. So then I'm going to take a longer one, which is like 4. And I'm going to try to center it. So since all of my hair is going in a ponytail, I don't really bring anything like up here a lot because this is going to help smooth and make it look really flat. So you guys see kind of how it's like curved. But this is due to so my hair can cover it. I want my ponytail a little bigger, and then now this is where as you get to the front, like you can have some hanging down, you can make a swoop, you can do all that, but I like to make sure my back is full as I want it. But again, I'm not doing that, so you see that? I'm not coming up. This clip is back here. Yep, so I put those on the side, and then I'm gonna do one more because I want all of my clips in my head that I have. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, between 7 and 8 clips. And then this last one go here. So these are all the clips that are in my head. And I'm just over. You see how that just goes right over. I don't really like edge control, but if you do, you can. I am probably gonna put a little bit. Clippy is going to be gentle, so I'm just going to hold it and brush through. Okay, so this is the edge control I use and we use in my house. I like it a lot. This is my favorite so far. The girl from the UK put me on to it. From TikTok. It's where you would do it. So then, I love these ponytail holders. I don't really like my hair too tight. For the most part, that's not the style I'm trying to give, so. And I normally just wrap it one time. And this is the look. My braid. I got a hairstyle. You can put it higher, put it in a top knot. I just let mine hang. It looks so natural, to be honest. You can put more curls in it. I kind of messed mine up a little bit. And this is the look of an easy way to give yourself a ponytail, and it looks so natural. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. This is the quick and easy natural looking clip-in ponytail that I always wear in the spring and summer. I may change this. I may take two pieces down. I may do a swoop. I may do half up, half down. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a video like that as well, and then I'll do that one. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my other social media platforms. And I'll see you guys next time.